In this video, we are going to see how we can make a game pass in the Roblox app. It's a pretty straightforward process here, guys. I will show you the latest method of doing this. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. What you need to do is just head over to the bottom right hand corner where you see this more icon. Click on that. And once you see that, you need to scroll all the way down to this option where it says create. So here is the create option. We click on that, and from here what we will do is just click on the home tab on the three lines on the top left hand corner, and we click on these three lines and click on the creations. From here you will find your place. In my case it's right here. I only have one place, but if you have hosted multiple servers you might see multiple places as well. So you head over and click on to the place, and again you will choose the three lines on the top left hand corner, and from here we will see this monetization area. Go to the monetization and click on passes, and here as you can see we have created multiple passes. So if you want to create a new pass, I'll just click on create pass. You can choose an image for that, or you can keep it as it is as well. So we will create a coupon of 80 Robux. You can name it however you want. You can also place the description, but it's not compulsory. So what I'll do is I'll just copy it from here and paste it directly at the bottom. Once you do that, you click on create pass, and there is our pass created. Now if you want to activate this game pass so that it can appear in the game in Please Donate as well, what you need to do is, if you move towards right, it says off sale. We need to enable this. So we will select this 80 Robux, and next to it is this three dots, settings. Again on the top left hand corner we click on these three lines and click on sales. Currently this item is not for sale. We will just enable and toggle this on, and then you can mention the price however you want. In this case it will be 80 Robux, and after that we save the changes. But just keep in mind that whatever price you mention here, Robux will be deducted on Roblox platform like 20 to 30%. So you just calculate the price that you will eventually be getting in terms of Robux. So that's about it. That is how you can make the game pass in Roblox app. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.